everyone here started playing Valheim. Can you share us the story?
Sa akin, I start playing RTV since by server pa siya. Before, meron siyang 4 servers. Dun ako sa 4th server sa Mal, which is yung Jotunheim. Hindi pa ata siya modded version before, pretty much vanilla lang and more on PvE. Then, after that, dun na dumating yung season 1. It's more like parang minerge na ata ni Iggy yung lahat ng servers na yun. Kaya merong 4 different clans before. Clan Odin, Clan Loki, Clan Thor, and then yung hidden clan Hela.
Oh shit, it's Odin.
Uy, galit si Odin, yari ka, Borak ha, di niniwala sa Diyos ha.
Yun yung season na sobrang challenging, sobrang grindy. Yung grind na para lumakas yung character mo. Tsaka napaka-chaotic yung season na yan in a fun way. Kasi yun yung season na makikita lang kayo ng kabilang clans magpapatay na kagad kayo. Then, tsaka may time doon na pati yung mismong village yun i-raid. Yung raid doon, hindi monster ng raid kundi tao.